Hey everybody, it's Steve, Alaska Volkswagen Adventures. I just finished building my window covers for the Vanagon. They work great. Pretty cheap project. Took a little longer than I expected just because I had a bunch of other things I was doing on the side there. Lost some footage on a GoPro unfortunately, so there'll be some parts missing, but I basically just show how I made the window covers, and I'll show you some of the projects I've been working on, but these make a big difference, especially here in Alaska. Alright, what I'm doing is I am hot gluing these together. So I can have two layers. Because if one is good, two's got to be better. Plus, it's just darn cold outside, so I'm kind of over waking up with ice in my windows and a cold head. And Bear Dog's in here helping me. Makeshift laboratory right here. And I'll do that all back and forth across here, so I'll save you the misery having to watch all that. I've got these done. This one's the back window. These are the middle side windows. The back windows are in the Vanagon right now. I'm gonna go get those out. I gotta cut them and finish them up and then get the Velcro put on. So I'll show you that here in just a second. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting an edge on this window cover so it won't come apart. Plus it'll give it a little bit more durability. I actually want these to last at least through this winter until I can either get some nice ones custom made or I realize these don't work very well, but I think they're going to work pretty well. They seem to keep a lot of heat in just with the two that I had in last night. I'll tell you one thing, Gorilla Tape ain't no joke. This stuff is sticky. I just kind of rounded the corners off while I was out in the van again a few minutes ago. I'll round them off here again in a minute. So super simple. So far I'm into this entire project. I bought magnets because I was going to try to magnet these in instead of Velcro, but the magnets I bought apparently weren't powerful enough. As soon as I doubled this material up, it was too heavy. So I'm going to go with the old Velcro, and that should work for this winter, or until I come up with some better magnets. And what I'll do is round these over so they'll arts and crafts, not my thing, to be honest. Though I do a lot of woodworking, this kind of stuff to me is very tedious. Oops, I cut that one a little small. Try that one again. So that's what it's going to look like. I'll put the Velcro up here on probably the Gorilla Tape. I'll get the rest of these all chopped up, and I'll show you what it looks like when I go to put them in the van. Here's the passenger side quarter window. I got them Velcroed so they'll stick, and they stay tight against the window that way. I got 6 pieces on there, so it holds it all nice and tight against the window frame. And I did do this side earlier. That was the first one I put up. I just put some Velcro here, 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 and down here just to hold it since I can't get back behind the cabinet. But that's how they look from the inside. I'll step outside and show you from the outside. Here's the outside view. And if you see, I left a little air gap here. So it's on the outer part of the inner frame. So there should be about an inch, a little over an inch of space there for the air to get trapped. And hopefully it doesn't ice up. We'll find out here probably tomorrow, since I'm heading out camping again tonight once I get these finished. Go around to the passenger or the driver's side, and I'll show you the driver's side. See, and it's nice and tight up against the window frame too. Putting that tape on around the outer edges really made that a lot stiffer, so it holds up a lot better. There's the back window. That was a little more complicated, but not too bad. You just have to cut it where it just barely is bigger than the window. But that should keep a ton more heat in. Well, it is morning. I tested out the new window covers, and they are absolutely fantastic. So pretty stoked on that. Stayed way warmer in here last night. It was a substantial difference. There's no cold radiating off the windows anymore or anything. All the heat stayed inside. So yeah, actually halfway through the night I had to turn the heater off just to let it cool down in here a little bit, and that was on its lowest setting. So pretty happy about that. Now granted, it was only I think 9 degrees Fahrenheit, so it really wasn't super cold. But yeah, pretty happy about it. I'll take some daytime pictures once it gets a little lighter out. It's just starting to get light outside. So here's the window covers installed. They're Velcroed on. They stay tight. The back one, side windows. Made an enormous difference last night. The heater's on 1. It's probably 60 degrees in here right now. So definitely recommend. I think I'm into the materials for the bubble board stuff here. I think it was 60 bucks, and then I've got about maybe $10 worth of tape and Velcro, and that's it. So, you know, under 80 bucks for everything. The door slides nice. Nothing's interfering with anything. As you can see, there's almost no condensation inside the windows. There's a little bit right here, but not bad. Back window's got a little bit, and then this side window. So overall, extremely happy, and it stayed a lot warmer in there for sure. Well, here it is. As you can see, the Velcro's right there. But that's the finished product. They work well. They come on and off easy. If you got any questions or comments, I got all this stuff at Home Depot. But if you get any questions or comments, just leave them below. And stick around, I got more videos coming. I'm working on other projects on this. And if you're still here watching this far of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, I'd like to invite you to join the channel. We've got a lot of good adventures coming up. We're just starting into winter here good, and we're going to do lots of snow camping and hopefully some blizzards and all the good stuff. So hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think.